Whoa, flying noodles! Oh no! Ollie can't use his fork! It's everywhere! Try the fork, Ollie! What a spaghetti disaster! These noodles are too wiggly.
Need some help, Ollie? Wow! Let's make eating fun. Hold the fork gently. Point the fork down. Now twist, twist, twist. You're doing great. Twist, twist, twist.
Oopsie! Keep going, Ollie. You can do it.
Big twirl. Yay! You did it.
Job!
You did it, Ollie. You did it, Ollie. Yay! You did it. Hey, thanks, everyone.
Now I can use a fork like a big kid.
Yay!
Can you use a fork too? Bye, friends!